in Newport, has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Currituck Beach Light to Oregon Inlet, North Carolina, 20 nautical miles over Atlantic offshore waters, Albemarle Sound, until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing a waterspout over southern Currituck, moving east at 10 knots. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high wave heights. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high wave heights, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. A strong thunder